Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Haven't made a video for a while because we've had nothing but horrible drought, which means nothing's doing very well. And then this cold front comes through and we have 3 days of non-stop, I mean seriously, non-stop rain. Then we had some high winds to go with it, and it took my gorgeous Mexican sunflowers here. And as you can see, I put some wire up, but it blew them all down. They're still blown down over here. So I'm going to have to cut these back to about 3 feet tall. But the butterflies and the bees are still all over them. As you can see up there, they just love these flowers. So you hate to do anything to them because you're feeding so many creatures. But when they fell, they took out my hibiscus. Now taking out my hibiscus is serious, because my drink all day, every day is hibiscus tea. And you can see all these little guys here. Man, there are hundreds and hundreds of them. They kind of like the rain also. And they're wet, but I'm going to pick them, put a fan on them, see if I can get them to dry. Because I'm afraid, I've propped them up, but I'm afraid their roots are messed up. And they just may not keep going for me. And I just can't let this much stuff get away from me. Are these amazing, or what? What a year for these guys. Torrential rain and they're just happy as they can be. So I'm going to pick a bunch of these. Probably got more than I could even possibly hope to pick, because we've got about 10 more plants scattered around the garden. And they're still flowering. We'll pick a bunch, see if I can get them dry. So I'll run the camera for a little bit while I pick some, so you see how I do it. You can pull them, but I'm afraid they're so messed up in the roots that I'm going to cut them. Alright, you ever see so many? Wow. I'm going to clip them because I know the plant's damaged. So. Wow, they're really firmly attached. You take these and you peel all these pieces off. See? Peeled it. Wow, that came really easy. This is the part you want right here. Then you dry this and grind it up, and it makes your hibiscus tea. Now if you look at the price of hibiscus tea, wow. Because it's labor intensive, you got to get all these pieces off. And I don't know if when you buy hibiscus tea, wherever they do it, if they actually separate it or do they just grind it all up. I don't know. I know what you buy doesn't taste like what this will make. So. Oh, they're bouncing all over the place on me. So you can kind of see what I'm doing, which pretty quickly is going to bore you half to death. So I'll stop and we'll be back when I get further along. Alright, here's what the hibiscus look like now. Picked them pretty clean. And here is a big bowl full. So we'll have to give these, have a little picking party to get all the pieces off, and then into the air dryer, and we'll be able to make some fresh tea. This is David at Grow and Eat This, northeast of Atlanta. Thank you for watching.